This video includes fictitious characters, which are presented purely for illustrative or entertainment purposes. The primary focus of this video is to provide information and advertisement related to real estate, specifically in Alberta, Canada. Any political content or fictional elements are not intended to influence or pertain to the real estate services offered. Thank you for your understanding.
Magkano ba daw ang kailangang pera kapag bibili ng bahay sa Alberta? Kailangan po ng minimum 5% for the down payment and 1.5% for the closing cost for a total po of 6.5% of the total purchase price. Example po, bibili kayo ng bahay worth $300,000. Ang down payment po na kailangan ay $15,000. Equivalent po sa 5%. At ang closing cost po ay $4,500. Equivalent naman po sa 1.5%. Ang total po is $19,500. Equivalent po ng 6.5% po ng $300,000 na total purchase price. Para saan naman po ang closing cost? Ang bangko po gusto makita na meron pa kayong extra money on top of your down payment. Ang tawag po dito ay closing cost. Dito po kasi kukunin ang panggastos ninyo sa lawyer. Show money lang po ang closing cost at hindi po ibig sabihin na gagastusin natin ang lahat ng mga ito. Siguro ang estimate ko po na magagastos lang natin sa closing cost is mga around $1,600 out of $4,500. Sana po nakatulong ito. Kung meron po kayong tanong, please do not hesitate to contact us. Kami po ay palagi pong nandito to answer all of your questions. Libre po ang konsultasyon namin mapa real estate, mortgage at home inspection. Kaya tawag na sa Panuelos Real Estate Group, your one-stop shop in real estate.